Today we are going to create this clean UI animation, which is very simple to make. Animations like this don't take much time to create if you have gotten used to alight motion. So without wasting much of your time, let's begin. First of all, we need the gradient background. Let's change the color to black. Then we are going to add the 4 color gradient effects. Next, change the 4 colors to black. For the first color, I'm going to change mine to this one. You can change yours to any one you like. I am going to head over to the third color, grab the color picker and pick the first one I made. I will leave it this way. Now let's add a text and type choose your level. I am going to choose this font for the text and set the color to white. Then I will increase the size a little. Now let's change the color to gradient. Use any color that suits you. I will reduce the size and move it to the top like this. Now let's also add a rounded rectangle shape and adjust the size like this. Next, I will change the color to this one, then make it a little darker. I will also enable the stroke. Change the color to this one and make it a little lighter. So let's add another rounded rectangle shape and adjust the size like this. Then change the color to gradient. I will then move it to the top at this point. I will also enable the stroke. I'm going to add another text and type level 1. Then I will change the font and the color to white. Let me increase the size a little. Then I will change the color to gradient. So I will decrease the size and move the text to the top at this point. Then I will add a diamond icon and reduce the size like this. Next, I will group these layers together. Then I will duplicate it and move it down like this. Next, I will enter the group and change the text to level 2. Now let's repeat the same process for level 3. Now let's go over to level 1 and add the glow effect to it. I will reduce the hardness to 0 and change the color to this one. Then lighten it up a little. Make sure you reduce the alpha for now. I will copy the effect and paste it to both of the other layers. Now let's go over to the first layer, which is level 3. Next, I will move the pivot point down like this. Then I will add 2 keyframes in the side section. After that, I will go back to the first keyframe and reduce the size all the way to 0. Finally, I will create a bouncy graph for this. You can see how it looks, right? Let's repeat the same process for the others as well. Let's also animate this rounded rectangle shape by adding 2 keyframes. And then reducing the width like this at the first keyframe. Next, I replace this graph. Then let's adjust the layers to the right so that they don't start at the same time. Looks much better. Now I am going to add this hand icon and make it really small. You can see how it's lagging when I am reducing the size of the icon, right? It's because of the glow effect we added to those layers last time. Next, I will place the icon on level 1. Then I will add 2 position keyframes. And move it out of the scene at the first keyframe. Then I will create this type of graph and copy it. I will move the layer to this point. Now I want to rotate it as it slides in. So I will add 2 keyframes in the rotation section. Then I will rotate it to about 47 degrees as the first keyframe. After that, I will paste this graph. Let's take a look at it. Everything is going just as planned. Now, here's what we are going to do next. We want the hand icon to slide down, then back up again. So I will go a bit further to the right. And add another keyframe at this point. Then I will create another one at this point as well. Now I will go back to the first keyframe I added and drag the icon down like this. Then I will paste this graph to all keyframes. Let's take a quick look at it. Let me just extend all the layers to this point. Now let's make some rotation animation for the icon. I will add 2 more keyframes like this. And rotate it to about 47 degrees at the keyframe I added before the last one. Then I will paste my graph to all keyframes. Let's check it out. Just what I wanted. Now let's get into the main animation. At this point, when the hand icon is on the third layer, which is level 3, I want it to glow for a second. So I will head over to the level 3 layer. Then add the glow effects I added last time. I am going to add a keyframe at this point when the icon is about to slide past level 3. Then another one when the hand icon has already passed it. Let me adjust the first keyframe a little and add a keyframe in the middle. Make sure you set it to alpha, not radius, unless you know what you're doing. Then I will increase the alpha to 100% as the middle keyframe. Let's check it out. Now we are talking. Just like we human beings, we feel something when it comes close to us, don't we? So that's what is happening right now. Level 3 felt the movement of an object passing above it. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. We are going to repeat the same process for both level 1 and 2. So at this point, before the icon gets to level 2, I will add the keyframe at this point. And when the icon is about to leave level 2, I am going to add another one. I will set the alpha to 100% at the middle keyframe. You can see how it looks, right? Let's repeat the same process for level 1. So at level 1, I will add 2 keyframes like this. Then increase the alpha to 100%. Now let's add 2 more keyframes this way. Then reduce the alpha to 0% as the last keyframe. Now follow my steps in animating both levels 2 and 3. We are done with the glow animation. It's time for the click animation. So when the hand icon has stopped, I am going to add 3 keyframes like this. Then reduce the size at the middle keyframe. And let's take a look at it. So we are almost done with our animation. Let's make our final touch. Now at this point when the hand icon has already clicked level 1, I will add a rectangle shape and stretch it to fill the composition area. Then change the color to black. And trim all the layers to this point. Let's take one more look at our final masterpiece. Finally, you have learned how to create this UI animation. It is not yet complete if you don't go and practice it. So if you haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, that means you don't want to see this channel again. So do well to give this video a like so that it reaches more people out there who want to learn how to create cool UI animations with their mobile phones. I will make sure to keep bringing the best masterpieces I can provide for you. As always, let's keep it rolling.